My name is Olivia and I'm testing soil today. It's very important to test the nutrients in the soil, especially if our plants are struggling. Like this. We took soil samples from all around our garden. To prepare each sample, we had to make 1 part soil, 5 parts water, and leave it overnight. Now we could test each one to find any nutrient deficiencies or surpluses that might be affecting our garden vegetables. There are 4 tests we need to perform in order to determine the nutrient quality of our soil. We need to test for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and pH. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the macronutrients our plants need. pH stands for potential hydrogen and is the measure of acidity in our soil. We have clay soil, which is often alkaline, but for plants to grow well, they require slightly acidic soil. To adjust the soil acidity, we will need to know how alkaline it is. Anything higher than a neutral pH of 7 is very hard for plants to grow in. Once we know the current pH of each area of our garden, then we can more precisely adjust the acidity with the right amount of amendments like peat moss, sulfur, sulfates. We want the test to say sufficient for N nitrogen, P phosphorus, and K potassium. Surplus means we probably have too much. Adequate means we may need to add a little more. Deficient means add a lot more. And depleted would mean there is little to none of that nutrient left in the soil. This is a digital soil tester. The soil from our garden. Now we wait 9 minutes. So right now, the alarm is going off. So already 9 minutes passed. So we're going to put that in here. So I'm going to go for this one first. So first I'm going to start with nitrogen. And then I'm going to put it in here and press this button. A little bit too much. Surplus is, that means it's too much. There's a little too much nitrogen in the soil. Surplus means that there's a little bit too much nitrogen in the soil. So I'm going to put that back. So I'm going to try this one. Phosphorus has a little bit. Test for phosphorus. We learned from these tests that we already added too much fertilizer to our potted plants and that all areas of our garden had too much potassium, while phosphorus phosphorus was deficient in 2 areas of our garden, and nitrogen was deficient only along the fence. Click like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more videos. I hope you learned something. I know I did. Isn't science fun?